I sworn these were orange. And welcome back. So we got a fun video for you today. We're gonna be talking about Adirondack chairs again. So if you recall from my last video, I made a cool video comparing Polywood Adirondack chairs versus the Brio chairs. Well, a little bit after I released that video, Polywood actually reached out to me and said that those chairs, the orange ones, are actually not real Polywood chairs. So I must have bought like kind of a knockoff version. They were really kind enough to actually send me a few to review. These green ones here are real Polywood chairs, and this video is going to be talking a little bit about my experience with them, how to put them together, how to use them, and just kind of a brief comparison between this one and the fake one and the Brio chairs as well. So let's go. All right, so I got this package here from Polywood, and we're going to test it out and see how it's like. We're going to do a little unboxing here and show you how to assemble everything. So I'm going to bring this up and over. The thing about Brio, for example, they ship up, but there's a little bit of assembly involved. It's not too hard, but there's definitely some assembly involved. So I'm curious how this one's gonna work out. For starters, it comes fully assembled already. So that was a little unexpected, pretty awesome. And it looks like there's some pegs here, so we're gonna see what that's for in a second. I'm gonna put this down. I'll show them to you. So it looks like this. It looks like these two pegs are the only things you need to put this thing together. So you put one peg in one hole on each side here. Find the hole, put it in, and pull this up, like so. There you go. I literally kind of did that in about a minute or so, and let's do a little test. Yeah, it's all ready to go. All right, now that it's working, we're going to show you how to fold it. Basically, the two pegs that we used to put it in, we're gonna take these out. And one easy way to kind of take these out is it's easy to turn them as you take them out. So it just comes out a little bit easier that way. I'm gonna do this one as well. There you go. We'll put this to the side for now. Okay, once the pegs are out, we're going to basically just kind of push this forward, and it folds down something like this. You can just kind of lift it up. You can put it somewhere else. And one last thing is you don't want to lose these. Some people like to tape them and stuff like that onto the chair, but really you can just put it back in here, and then you can kind of take them to go. All right, so that's how you set up these chairs.
And this is how you enjoy it.
From just comparing these to the knockoff versions that were orange that we didn't know were knockoffs, these I think were a lot better. What are some things you liked about it?
I like how lightweight it is. The other chairs, I really struggle to move that by myself, but these, they're totally fine.
I like the color, obviously.
Yeah.
I'm sure color comes in a lot of different varieties, but we particularly like this green one a lot for just outdoor shots and just brings in the sort of like camping nature environment, which is really nice. It's a nice shade of green. I also like the grains. It's different than the other chairs, including the knockoff as well as the Brio ones. The grain just seems a little bit more, I don't know, natural, rustic.
Textured, but it's also like smooth.
Right,
Nice.
right.
Comfortable.
And you're using that little lounging thing.
Yes,
That's pretty cool.
yes. This is nice to keep my feet off of the cold ground, get them closer to the fire, and just give my legs a break in general.
We were using this last night too, and this actually did help a lot to
Yeah.
keep our feet warm because we can kind of elevate it. Not only is it more comfortable just to elevate your feet, but also gets your feet warmer. So these are really great. We want to thank Polywood for sending us these.
Yeah,
And I know we're going to be sharing this and using this for a long time.
long time for sure.
Ooh, smoke's getting in my eyes. Let's
Get
go.
out of there.